Shoot, I messed up. I was trying to do it without looking.
Sarah and I went back and forth about whether we should even upload a video like this. I mean, we're definitely not fluent in Italian, and we're not here to teach anyone the language. This is really just about what we've been doing, what's been working for us, and maybe it'll give you a few ideas if you're trying to learn too. Italian, la bella lingua. It's such a beautiful language. Nearly every word ends in a vowel, giving it this unique musical flow. When our great-grandparents came to America in the early 1900s, they brought their Italian language with them. But over time, as they built their lives here, the language kind of faded out. My grandparents, and even my mom, only knew a few Italian words and phrases here and there. So, in our family, speaking Italian basically has been lost for 3 generations.
How to say the lid, the pot lid.
Il coperchio della pentola.
I love Italian. Il coperchio della pentola. It's so romantic.
It was Sarah who actually got into learning Italian first, and she's way ahead of me. Seeing her dive into it and get more connected to our roots made me want to try too. I started thinking, could we actually bring this part of our heritage back into our lives? It would be amazing to speak the language that was once part of our family's daily life. For me, a big motivator is that I'd love to connect more with family in northern Italy when I visit. Last time I was there, I could barely communicate, which was tough. So just having a bigger vocabulary and better understanding will make my next trip that much better. On a recent trip to Colorado, I was visiting Sarah and we tried out a few ways to practice. Buongiorno. We are here in mia sorella's cucina. We've heard that using sticky notes and placing them around different items throughout the kitchen is a good way to learn vocabulary. So we're just going to do this for ourselves. We were walking around earlier going, what's that? We didn't know what it was. So we're gonna go ahead and place some of these guys around on different things and try and learn them as vocabulary words.
La candela.
La candela.
Il lavandino.
Lavandino. Is drawer.
We put sticky notes on different objects around her kitchen, which was actually really helpful as a visual reminder. We also watched part of an Italian movie together and worked on some flashcards. Getting into that Italian mindset over the weekend was motivating, and I think doing things like this could be a great way to learn vocabulary.
So many things in my feed. Of course, no, none of them are coming up. Oh, there's an Italian.
Sono nella mia graniteria preferita a Palermo, cioè da Cutufo, perché oggi ho voglia di provare dei gusti nuovi diversi che non ho mai visto in tutta Sicilia. Quindi vediamo se sapranno accontentarsi.
Italian subtitles. It helps you pick up on what they're saying.
I just want to be able to say I want to order a bottle of red wine, please.
Okay.
So, vorrei una bottiglia di vino rosso, per favore.
Oh.
Another thing we've been doing is setting up FaceTime or Zoom calls to go over the Intrepid Guide together and just practice. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. It helps keep us consistent and motivated, and it's good to actually speak the words out loud with each other. Learning a new language as an adult isn't easy, but we've found some techniques that seem to be working. Sarah's big on learning Italian songs. She translates the lyrics, then learns to play them on her ukulele. She's convinced I need to do it too, saying that pairing words with music will really help. For now though, repetition is what's helping me the most. Learning a language feels like a very slow progress sometimes. It's tough. But going back to that 1% rule I mentioned in our Duolingo video, I remind myself that tiny gains every day really do add up over time. Since I can't immerse myself in Italy right now, something I can do every day is take my dog for a walk. So I've turned it into a routine where I listen to Italian audio courses as we walk. It lets me immerse myself daily in hearing words and phrases, which helps me feel like I'm making progress. Mi piace fare passeggiate con il mio cane tutti I giorni. Hearing the phrases over and over has helped me remember things and build a little confidence. My daughter and I also got a deck of basic Italian vocabulary flashcards, and I'm working through a list of common Italian verbs. It's been fun to go through them together and see her get excited about learning the words too. So we've still got a long way to go, but it's been an adventure trying to bring Italian back into our lives little by little. But just doing a little each day, it has been a game changer. Who knows where we'll be in a year, maybe I'll even catch up to Sarah's Duolingo streak. But for now, we're just keeping it going one word at a time. Thanks for following along with us, and if you're learning a language too, in bocca al lupo. Good luck.
Il cassetto is drawer. Il cassetto is drawer.
Hold on, I won't look at the camera this time. Okay, Duolingo, Sarah, I'm at day 644 on my day streak. Where are you at?
Good job, Luke. I'm at 823. I'll always be 179 days ahead of you. And I'll always be a little older and wiser.